Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, my name is Mehak and I love to create beginner friendly makeup tutorial. And if you want to learn today's blue halo eye look, then do watch this video till the end. I promise you this look will be done in less than 5 minutes. So the very first step is I'm taking a concealer, packing it on my lid and setting it with the translucent powder, and then I am taking a dark blue shade in outer corner of my eye and blending it in the shape of a wing and spreading it slowly towards my middle eyelid. Then I'm adding a dark blue eyeshadow as well, which is darker than the previous one, not darker, lighter than the previous one, and packing all over my lid. But I'm avoiding that shade in the inner eyelid because in the inner eyelid I want to add a little bit more lighter tone of blue eyeshadow. Once I have added the lighter tone of blue eyeshadow in the inner eyelid, I am going to blend all these three shades together, and also I'm going to blend the crease area with the fluffy blending brush. Fluffy blending brush helps to diffuse the edges, especially when you are using a darker shade. It will soften the edges and your eyes will not look harsh. And if you think your eyeshadow is getting patchy or it's not blending nice, do not worry because we are going to use concealer in the center of our eyelid to create a halo eye look. And once I have packed the concealer, I am going to pack a highlighter shade on top of the concealer using a flat brush. Also, this lighter shade can be of golden tone or a white tone, but I am using a champagne tone. And then I'm adding a little bit of blue eyeshadow wherever I want to soften the edges of concealer. Now I'm adding a lighter blue shade in my lower lash line. If you want, you can use dark shade as well, but I am going to use a white eye pencil in my lower eyelid. That's why I'm going to use a lighter shade. After mascara and lashes, this is my complete look. Do subscribe to my channel and I will see you again next time.